how do I give more value? How do I know what value to give, right? Because it's subjective. I can just tell you you're not giving enough value, but you can say, okay, well, what do I need to do? That's what I hear all the time. A big part of it is knowing your audience. Know thy audience, okay? There's way more than 3 billion now. It used to be 3 billion people. There's like 5 billion people, active monthly users on social media now. Google how many people there are in the world. It's like pretty close, okay? So there's a ton of people out there. We can't just target everyone. We have to kind of refine that. How you do that is up to you based on who you like working with, right? So a lot of times I'll hear like, we work with some chiropractors. First thing they usually say is, my target audience is anyone with a spine. It's like, okay, good one. No, shitty answer, bad joke. Refine that a little bit. Who is your actual target audience? Maybe it's athletes. Maybe it's slip and fall. Who is it? In car accident, who is that audience? Refine them and get super specific and then target them by understanding them. What is it that first-time homebuyer actually gives a crap about? What do they actually value? What do they actually need? And then provide value to match through your posting, through your content.